You're watching Adventure America, and we're at the Enchanted Rock Summit Trail. You can see at the base is kind of got a bunch of big boulders, a lot more scattered out than once you start heading up to the summit. This is quite a rugged terrain down here at the bottom. Getting towards more solid ground up here. Once you get to the solid rock, it's steep but pretty smooth surface. Alright, we made it to the solid rock now. It'll be a little bit easier to navigate. Just gotta keep going. We're starting to get a real nice view. Got some pretty cool rock formations here. Looks like a little hoodoo over here. We're about halfway up to the top and you can feel the wind picking up. We're gonna have to make our way around this embankment here. Head over this direction. The views are really starting to get good now. We have some water seeping out between the rock layers here. Heading down the rock. The surface of this rock looks like something you would see on Mars pictures. You can hear me now. It's really windy up here. Well, you got one heck of a view. I'm going to wrap up this video here. Thank you for watching Adventure America. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.